Hi guys, this is Mohit from Desi Electronic Factory. Thanks for watching this video. Let's talk about the component required. The first component is Atmega microcontroller IC. It is the brain of the circuit and helps in driving the LEDs. Second component is 74HC595 shift register. It works as a multiplexer and helps in driving the LEDs with the help of microcontroller. The third component is 2N3904 NPN transistor. This transistor provides sufficient power to the LEDs. The fourth component is itself LED. Total 128 LEDs are required for making this display. The fifth component is voltage regulator 7805. This provides constant 5 volt to the circuit. The sixth component is Varo board, the board where entire circuit is embedded. The seventh component is 12 MHz crystal oscillator. It provides constant clock pulse to the microcontroller. The eighth component is 22 picofarad capacitor. This capacitor helps crystal oscillator to provide clock pulse to the microcontroller. The ninth component is IC holder. Total 3 IC holders are required, 2 for shift register, 1 for microcontroller. Last but not the least, wires and connectors. Total of 10 components are required for making this display, apart from battery. Guys, this is how the actual circuit looks like. These are the LEDs, these are the transistor. Let me open up. Okay, this is how the actual circuit looks like. Let me remove the connectors one by one carefully. Okay, see, this is the actual circuit from the inside. This is the Atmega microcontroller, crystal oscillator, 22 picofarad capacitor, 74HC595 shift resistors, transistors. This is the power circuit from where we are getting the power. These are the LEDs, connectors. Guys, make sure that all the positive terminals of the LEDs are connected in vertical direction, whereas all the negative terminals are connected in horizontal direction. This is how the LED look like. The long leg is the positive terminal and the short leg is the negative terminal. Guys, let's talk about the burning procedure of the microcontroller. For doing this, I have to remove the microcontroller from the circuit. We have to do it little bit carefully so that rest of the component are not getting damaged due to this. Let me open this up. Okay, this is done. Now I have to put it in the breadboard like this. Okay, this is my USB ASP from where I'm burning the microcontroller. I have to connect these 6 pin to the microcontroller so that I can able to feed the microcontroller with the program. And this I have to connect to the computer, and from this we can go ahead and burn the microcontroller. Guys, this one is the complete circuit diagram. Make sure the pins are properly connected as per the circuit diagram. One more thing guys, while connecting to the LEDs, make sure these are connected here and here. This is not a node. Hi, this is Mohit Kumar and this is 16x8 LED display using Atmega IC and 74HC595 serial in parallel shift register. We have already tested the display. The blinking of LED is based on the program that we are feeding to the microcontroller using USB ASP. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. For AVR codes and circuit diagram,
Drop your email ID in the comment box. Thank you.